So hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is my cousin's channel right now. I have to be quick because she's turning around. She's actually outside right now, but I'm going to be putting a prank on her. I got slime on the cheek prank. So yeah, we're gonna have to do this really quickly. Set the camera. I spilled something on the couch. I have to pause the camera. This.
What is that?
It's slime.
Where'd you get it from?
I make mine.
You smelled it. Is it stuck? I'll find out. Come on, girl.
Keisha, I recorded you the whole time.
Open the back door for me.
Okay. Come on. It's locked. Prank success. Now we're just gonna be recording this. Take it. Okay, and put trash in it.
Sabrina,
Yeah?
I'm gonna put this one in the backyard.
In the backyard.
Put the small one to go in there.
Oh, you got it. If you don't have enough time.
Tie it up. No.
I'm talking about like so we can hide it. If we can't get it.
I was about to do it.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Try it double tight. Put it in the car. You can put it in your garbage. In the garbage. Oh, come, it's about to pour down. Look, look at this.
It is? Oh my gosh. Look at the corner. We have all these garbage bags. Okay, and here's the slime that I picked up. So it's not even sticky, it's just like hard beads everywhere with it. So we try to get this video to like my challenge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, today comment down below.
Alright, I will run. We can run about y'all. I'll go to the back.
I'm gonna come.
Oh, girl, I was trying to figure out what it was. It's a toy in here.
Try to get the video to 2 likes. Come on, let's go to the bathroom. Down the trail. Oh, I thought you were gonna hide it in the backyard. I thought you were gonna hide it in the backyard. Up the hill. Up the hill. Up the hill.
One.
I'm coming. Good. What are we doing now? No. Bye.